Who the fuck said you should be happy in the first place? Feeling depressed is real. The reason you feel depressed is so that you are inspired into action. It's a natural human instinct to make you work hard and try harder to build a life. This idea that you can walk through life and everything's fine and you can catch depression from the sky like a disease and stretch your brain and there's nothing you can do about it, and no matter how hard you try, this is complete garbage that's been propagated by the weak-minded. Your life's so good, the only thing you have to do is sit around and worry about why you're not happy. It's bullshit.